Hi guys, it's amazingly clean. Just wanted to take you through our setup here. Cleaning an office building today, Labor Day weekend. Here we are servicing our customers and satisfying their needs so they can have a fresh Monday. Let's take you through this. Follow the hoses back out to the machine. Be doing all these suites today. Again, it's carpet cleaning. This area, our pre-sprayer there. Back out to the machine, our wand. Down the main hall. You won't be able to hear the machine running here shortly. So we got about, I'd say about 400 feet of hose coming out to the main area. Don't pay attention to the truck right now. We just changed our logos. These are old. Our setup here, wands. Following it out. Look at our new Everest. There you go. You can hear it running. It's very quiet, yet very powerful. It's idled down now. It's got an automatic idle system where it shuts down a little bit and will crank itself back up once the wand's pulled, which is an awesome trigger. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe, stay tuned, and see you shortly.